Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. In this picture, I perceive four characters, two male and two female, of age around 21 to 23. Mood is positive. My main character is a female of age around 22 to 23. She is also in positive mood. Action of my story is catching the terrorist. So, Captain Priya was on her regular patrolling, where she got an intel that the enemy is hiding in ambush and planning to attack on the village nearby. She immediately checked the authenticity of the intel and then set up a task force. She also informed the headquarters for the reinforcement, went ahead to the hideout and successfully catch the terrorist with her proper planning. She was very happy because she actually avoided a big terrorist attack. Thank you.
Okay, now just hold it. Let's not get ahead. And let that we will discuss the story all. Then after we can come back to that. So let's understand this story. It is who is the hero?
Female.
Manjeet, who is the hero?
The female of age 22.
What is the name? What is her name?
Captain Priya.
Captain Priya. Okay, very nice. What is her contribution?
So she was in her regular patrolling where she got an intel.
She got input that the terrorists are hiding. What action did she take?
Then she actually checked the authenticity of the intel, that whether it is right.
From where did she check the authenticity?
From her intel only, like to check that whether it is authentic.
From where did she get it? So there is no clarity there.
Okay.
Okay. Then what you set a task force? What is the task force going to do?
To catch the terrorist.
What is the task force going to do?
Catch the terrorist, sir.
Yes. What is the task? How many people are they involved task force?
So the people who are patrolling with her.
So you think you're imagining things, isn't it? You are imagining things. It is not there on the system around there. So now you have asked for the reinforcement. What does it indicate? You are not confident about solving the problem yourself.
But sir, I'm really sorry to say, but if there is any terrorist group or anything, so they have to inform the headquarters. Like they can be more in number now. So that is why I did that.
Let's hold on. What I'm trying to put was very simple. It has to be a story. It has to be a story. So let's understand that we'll talk about when we talk about secular test, we'll talk about the theory about what is that story should really contain. What is her action? She has only three actions she has taken. First action she has tried to check the authenticity of the intelligence that she has got it. Number two, she has set up task force. She's not very clear about it, what the task force is going to do, from where did the men come. Number four, then she has informed the headquarters about it, that these are terrorists hiding. And ultimately, she has succeeded in eliminating the terrorists. How? Nothing is known. Which action has been very clear? Nothing comes out very, very clearly at all. So it is not a story, it is a description of an event. Is it a story? Yeah, Manjeet, tell me, is it a story?
No, sir.
So it is description of an event, isn't it? You're describing an event. Okay. So let's.
Sir, you're not audible.
Kanchan. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Tell the story.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. In this picture, I realized that Mahesh, who is an army officer on the rank of colonel, and he was very busy before 2 months because of war. And he is very brave soldier, but due to injury, he was not able to fight very boldly. But after some time, he realized that if I'm not given my 100% of myself, then how I win this war? Because he is a leader of his team, and and he tried to do well and encourage everyone, because he's a senior, and he tried to encourage all the juniors. And he fight with after some time, he fight with very bravely, and means at lastly he won the war. And
Okay,
yeah.
just Kanchan, now just tell me one thing. First
Yes,
of
sir.
all, what is the difference in war and battle? What is war? How do you define between war and battle and producing some fight that is there? War is a long-term battle. Second
Yeah.
World War, First World War, it lasted for
Yeah, it's a battle. Yeah.
So secondly, now if the Colonel Saab of the regiment is not fighting fit, he's not interested into it, he's sad and he's not able to put in his best, should he be an officer?
Yes, sir.
He should not be an officer. He doesn't deserve to be an officer.
Yes,
What
sir.
he said, he was not fighting a war, and he took control of it later on, because he was thinking if he cannot fight the war, he cannot afford to motivate his subordinates. Isn't it? Is what he said?
Yes, sir.
So if he can't afford to subordinate, then ultimately he pulls himself off. That is not possible. It is defeatist attitude. He is a coward.
Yeah.
He lacks courage. He is the person who runs away from the situation. He will not be able to find a solution.
Yes,
so
sir.
this sort of story is killing. That is what is the negativity of the story. You cannot afford to gain anything from this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to change the story. Don't worry. Okay. Number 3. Who is number 3? Vishnu. Yes, Vishnu, please come in. Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My story is about a male of 28 years. So Rahul was the captain of his school cricket team. He is very humble and polite to everyone. He won many tournaments and selected for the state cricket team. After playing at national level, he decided to join army and want to do something for his nation. He cleared the test and joined army by sports quota. That's it, sir. I didn't complete my story.
Now just tell me, playing cricket and joining army, how is it related? That's, I call it coherence. Laser is a coherent beam of light. Your story should flow. What are we trying to achieve? It's not the way. In what way you're playing cricket and joining Indian Army related? What action has he taken? Has he done anything? Tell me.
Sir, I write that he is playing at national level.
Think later on. So is it a story now? Is it first and foremost, story should have a past. What is the past? He was a cricketer. What action has he taken? He wants to join the army. Has he joined the army? What efforts did he make it? And sports, why only sports quota? Does the Indian Army want only a sportsman or want a soldier? Yes, we want a soldier or he wants a sports person to be playing. That's okay. We play games. That's a separate issue. Isn't it? So that's it's not going to give you any damn credit. Okay. Now this school comes next. Sasi Bhushan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sasi Bhushan, come.
Good morning, sir. I have perceived 4 characters in this story, and the age lies in between 22 to 24. Yeah. And Ram, who is a student of BA English Honours, and he participated in inter-Natak competition, in which they used to come each and every day in their college in a bit to practice. And also Ram used to bring journals and videos so that they can learn more out of it. And also he went to market in order to bring clothes so that they can wear at the time of Natak. And at a very and he also made a group on a WhatsApp so that they can discuss about each and every role, and so that they can rectify each other's mistakes. And on a very D-Day, they went there and they practiced. So they explored very well over there, and they won the competition. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Would Natak make you a soldier?
What,
you should join film industry then. You should join, become a Amitabh Bachchan. What is action? In what action? In what way these 4 people who are there, the 4 characters were lying on the, it's a scene of 4 soldiers relaxing soldiers. They call relaxing, it's a standard scene, relaxing soldiers.
Yes, sir.
In what way is it related to this, what story that you've written?
Sir, last month I participated in Natak competition, and the theme was like this, sir. So that is why I thought that I should make a story out of it.
Nothing wrong, my dear.
Yes,
what all action has he taken? He is the person who takes a video. He has gone to the market, purchased clothing for the people.
Clothes. Yes, sir. And he
participates in the natak. That's all.
So he brings journals and videos so that they can learn more out of it. And also,
even your peon can afford to bring those things, journals, purchase around there outside.
Yes, sir.
You can get it online.
Definitely, sir.
So what is the use? I'm just saying there has to be certain action around there which is supposed to commensurate with you're trying to become an officer, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go back again. Next number is Prasis. Is Prasis available?
So you're not audible.
Prasis available. Prasis.
Is there Prasis in this group right now?
No. No, sir. No, okay. Prasis is not available. Then Anisha Sharma. Anisha, is she available?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anisha was Indian, okay. Then Raj Pritam. Yeah, tell your story.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
I have written a story about a soldier whose age is around 28 years old. He is the captain of his troop, and one day a suspense creates about the enemy enter in the border, and general gives him command to fight with his courage, and the captain Shivam lead his team and fought bravely, and victory is come. After coming his camp, they become welcome with gratitude. That's all.
Now just tell me, does general have got time to give instructions to a captain to fight a battle? What is like? You lack a practical intelligence. Remember that I taught that's the reason. Understanding those 15 qualities is very, very important. If you don't understand those particular 15 qualities, you're not going to yield any result.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so must read those 15 qualities. As says now, I'll send the book to then probably you can read through them. You can go through the web on the presentation are there, read through them. It's certainly not a story. It doesn't give you anything. कुछ दम चाहिए ना कहानी में कुछ दम चाहिए. There's something to meet. There's the content of the story. कहानी it should be powerful.
Okay, sir.
Next, anyone left? Who's left over now? Miller. MI10 was the person. Anyone else left over? Anyone else who is left over who has not given out the story? Pankaj Kumar.
Bacha, I think.
Pankaj, is it Pankaj available?
Bacha.
I think they have all a lot. Okay, what is available now, gentlemen? After this, when I say to start at that time, what we will be doing cross telling